Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another very beautiful video of hand embroidery designs. Guys, this video contains unique, exquisite and elegant concept that it is the art of the need. That is, hand embroidered masks that are anti-fog, anti-smoke and anti-pollution because winter is in its full swing and because of being not careful with your health setups, we are experiencing a lot of winter related health issues. So, in order to avoid these and keep your look amazing, beautiful, chic, and classy, I am here with you along with a decent, elegant, and delicate collection of hand embroidered masks. Hand embroidered design ideas for masks are being circulated throughout this whole video collection. All of these embroidery patterns are easy, unique, beautiful, and elegant, and at the same time, they will give a comfortable and elegant look to the wearer by giving a touch of decency and elegance. But before going into the further details, I request you to do subscribe my channel, and while subscribing, press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads on my channel. And not only this, I would recommend you if you have already subscribed, then you can subscribe from number of other devices because subscribers are very important. And guys, we never reclaim someone else's work as our own. The basic purpose and motive of sharing designs with you is to share creativity. Different colors have been shown, different fabric colors, different fabric items, categories like denim fabric, simple plain fabric, organic cotton, linen fabric have been used for making these very beautiful hand embroidered masks to give the wearer a soft, lightweight, comfortable, and breathable look. I would recommend you to do try these patterns for making your mask more creative, unique, and elegant. And with this, allow me to leave. Stay tuned for the more and more upcoming videos. Up till then, take care.